You got, that's the good one. That's the.
I'm gonna throw every single one down now.
That's the one with the Batmobile.
Throwing
in it,
eggs
all
at
right?
people's cars.
That's right.
Would you get a car?
Maybe there's more eggs.
Yeah, there's
Another
more.
one.
Judah,
Where's another
Judah, let's
one?
take this egg, and then we're gonna put it in the basket, okay? In the basket, right there. Right, put that right there. Look over here. Look, Judah. Look, there's more. There's more over here. Come here. Oh, what's that?
Egg.
Egg. Nope.
Wow.
Some of them don't have anything in them. I think that might be one of them.
I'm kind of confused by the empty eggs too.
There's two of them. Most of them have stuff in them. But...
Ready? What's in that one, Judah? There's something in there.
Can you open it?
There's something in there.
Open.
Open it.
Oh,
Judah,
Judah, look.
Judah.
Look. Oh, you found that one.
Just hold it by himself.
Yeah. Judah, look.
What is that? Was that a ball? It's an eye. Eyeball.
Here, put it in there. Put it in the basket. Now you're gonna go bounce it over here. It's not a bouncy ball.
No, that's not.
Trying to bounce it.
Judah, what's this? What's that? Is there another one?
Hey.
Here. You wanna open it? Daddy, help. Oh, that's a
That's
balloon.
one of those balloon things.
That's one of those balloons. I'll blow it up for you.
Did he open the yellow one that he found over here?
No.
Yeah, that was the one that had the eyeball in it.
Oh, okay. What do we know?
I think.
Here. Judah.
Judah.
Okay.
Yellow.
Oh, maybe it didn't have the eyeball in it.
Yellow.
You put it in here. Oh. I'll take this.
Doesn't go in there.
Very good.
Silly.
All right, over here, buddy.
Where are we going?
We're over there. Oh, yeah.
What's on your swing? Look over there.
What's on the swing? Judah, look, on the swing.
What's
Right
that?
there.
What is it?
Egg.
Open it. I think it's another.
Yeah, that's another
balloon. Yeah. Let's get. We'll get those out of the way. Here, let's open it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Another balloon. I'll blow these up later. Not right now. Yep. Look over there, Judah. Look. There's another one.
Right there.
Pink. Yes. Here, you want to open it? This one might have a treat in it. Look, ready? What's in here? Uh-oh. Raisins. They're special raisins, too.
Raisin.
Sweet, there's food involved with this? This is great. Over here, buddy. Let's go over here. Look.
Right there.
Daddy, help?
There's something in there.
See if he can do one. See if he can do one.
What's in there?
Shake, shake, shake. You open it? Open the egg. Open. Shake, shake, shake.